If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Xbox, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Visit the Xbox website or open the Xbox app on your console. Sign in with the Microsoft account associated with your Xbox subscription. Step 2. Access your subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to the Account or Subscriptions section. This area will display all active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 3. Select the subscription to cancel. Look through the list of subscriptions and select the one you wish to cancel. This could be Xbox Live Gold, Game Pass, or any other recurring service. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Verify cancellation. Once you've cancelled the subscription, check your account to ensure that the subscription status reflects the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email as well. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Xbox account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Xbox support for assistance.